My name is Puneet Tandon and this is Young Urban Project. Today, I want to talk about something that I feel is really important and someone needs to talk about this. This has been something I've been observing for a while and it kind of worries me a lot. A few days ago, I was watching some videos on YouTube. I do a lot of my research and learning on YouTube, so I keep browsing through videos. A lot of content I watch is around digital marketing and advertising. It's from creators all over the world, right? So obviously YouTube knows my preferences and keeps serving me ads that are related to this. Because of this, I get a lot of ads for digital marketing tools, ebooks, digital courses, and all that. And I'm pretty used to it. I've seen the good ads, the terrible ads, the outrageous ads, but this one time, some days back, I see an ad for a blogging course. It's obviously an Indian company because the instructor is talking in Hindi. This guy is suited up and is explaining all the details of the course and how he almost makes double-digit lakhs of rupees every month only through blogging. Technically, it's possible if you're really good at it. So now he's showing his earnings through some screenshots and also shows some student testimonials and all those usual suspects. He's standing in front of this swanky office backdrop, which is clearly a stock image on a green screen. But that's not even the most unrealistic part. You're not going to believe this. Now I'm watching this ad because I watch all ads, not because I have nothing better to do in life, which could be true, but I actually like watching ads because I learn from other people's work. While watching this ad about this life-changing blogging course, I realize, hey, wait a minute, I've seen this instructor guy somewhere. I think hard and then recall, damn, this guy is a paid actor. I've seen him in a lot of other ads for brands and stuff. The funny part is, he's not even an actual digital marketer or a blogger, and most probably is not showing his own dashboard screenshots. Do you know what's happening here? Somebody has made content around blogging. Maybe it's real content, maybe it's not, who knows? And they've hired a paid actor to stand in front of the camera and shoot the whole course, acting like he's the real deal, but he's not. And that makes me wonder, how much more scammy is this industry going to get? Like, we have had enough people showing their fake lifestyle, private jets, bikini girls, luxury villas in their digital marketing product related ads. Now the digital gurus have got so lazy that they don't even want to stand in front of the camera and teach. They're just going to hire actors to do that for them now. I've even heard of cases where these sus people buy a good course and attend a workshop and just copy the whole thing as is. Just say the same stuff word to word and sell this rip-off course at a way cheaper price. It's insane. Now, this just goes on to show how gullible the audience is and how these people think that they can get away with anything. So I want this message to go out to you. You who are watching this video, if you want to learn something and you want to buy a course, think like a critic. Ask all the questions that you want to. Check everything. Don't just believe the ads and the comments under them. In today's world, everything can be made up. It's a part of the social proof creation and a sales strategy. I'm not going to judge whether that is right or wrong. It's you who needs to judge. When you learn something new, you're banking on someone for a brighter future. Choose someone who is honest and will be a great teacher. It's easy to go after the shiny things, huge numbers, funny ads, but that's not what your career is about. Find someone to learn from who you can trust completely that they will be around for you as a mentor and not as a businessman who's just out there to take your money and vanish. Do your research, think like a cynic, and make the right choice. It's not that difficult. All the best. If you like the message in this video, like this video and tell me about it in the comments. Share this with your friends so they don't fall prey to such scams. And if you would like more content about digital marketing, then subscribe to my channel and I promise you that you will love it. I will see you next week in a new video. Meanwhile, you can watch these videos on the screen. I really think you would like them. My name is Puneet Tandon. You're watching Young Urban Project. I'll see you next week.